What's up, gorgeous f***ing souls? We're back. We're back. We're back. Where are we, kiddo? Where are you? Where are you right now? Why are you so bundled up? I'm back in Iceland. Oh yeah, I'm back in Iceland. I got this big old hat on. You see me, you see me, you see my hat. Look at my hat, look at my hat. You see my hat, right? I'm back in Iceland. Now, the last time I told you I was gonna come here is because last time I was here, I couldn't do fully everything I wanted to do. This time, guarantee you, I'm gonna do the things that I truly always wanted to do. I found a nice, beautiful, beautiful place to be. It's an apartment. Me being here, it feels good. I feel safe. Like the last time I was in the hostel, I was hostel, and there's a lot of people around, and it was good, but my bags and stuff was in the lockers and stuff like that. This time I'm out, I'm in the apartment, so it should be good. So it's blowing outside, the wind. I was gonna go outside, but not right now. Why did I come back here? And some of y'all might ask, why? Why did you why you come back and you double back on the same trip? Now, I started the year in Iceland. So I decided to end the year in Iceland and give y'all a whole recap of my whole year at the same time. You know, why not? I learned a lot this year, more than I ever did in any other years, so any part of my life. This year right here it gave me so much clarity. It gave me so much peace. It gave me understanding with myself, and it showed me that taking risk sometimes it don't go out in your favor. It doesn't go to in your favor, but you learn from it. And I took a lot of trips this year, a lot of trips, and I'm not sitting here to try to boast about it, but this is my first time ever taking this many in 1 year. And I'm not gonna give you a number because it sounds like I'm arrogant, but a lot. I learned so much doing it. I learned that the 9 to 5 doesn't control me. I do what I truly want to do, what I truly want to desire, like what I desire, and nothing held me back this year. Nothing. No person, no job, and not even myself. And that's like the one thing I truly, truly want to talk about. Holding back. When you want to do something, please understand, go for it. And I'm not trying to sound like that Mojo Jojo, that that motivational speaker, but I come from a town where not everybody do what they truly want to do, right? So when no one want to do what they truly want to do, they start to fall into this hole where everyone seems the same. Everyone does the same shit, everyone look the same, etc., etc. As soon as you start stepping out your boundaries of not doing the same shit like everyone else, you start to get, eyes on you. People start calling you weird or, phony or etc., etc. Well, it doesn't matter. The thing is, don't let that hold you back. It's okay being uncomfortable, because being uncomfortable is showing you that it's pretty much showing you that you're evolving to something that you wasn't yesterday, And this is exactly what I did this year. And I did so many trips where I was so uncomfortable, financially, mentally, physically uncomfortable. I gained mad weight, you get what I'm saying? But it came to a point where it's like, am I happy? And the true answer is yeah. I'm extremely happy. I love doing this shit. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do as much trips as possible. So y'all gonna come along, right? We are back. We are back. We are back here. Every time I see it, it still takes my breath. This place is amazing. It looks so good. Go inside a little bit longer this time. Came at a crazy time. It's fucking hailing or snowing or I don't know what it's doing, but I came at a crazy time. Look at this. Really can't see that much on camera, but it's snowing, raining. I don't know what it's doing. This one right here, this right here is just me revisiting the things that I already did the first time I was here. So I ain't really bring y'all too much with me right now, but I'm about to go grab something to eat. And plus it's rainy, it's cold. So yeah, I'm about to take you to where I'm about to go eat. I'm gonna go find something. I'm not too sure yet. Also, if you do come here, make sure you start your day early, like early, because like most things close like 2-3 p.m. here, and the bar stays open for a long time. But like if you're looking for food, there's like 2 places that's near Center Street. Got some decent food. It's decent food. It's a little fast food, but it's decent. Definitely when it's Christmas time, they're extremely festive here. Listen. I know I came to Iceland and I'm eating tacos, but it was really worth it. The one on the left was a chicken taco with some sauce. I don't know what it was, but the one on the right was a salmon spicy taco. And I tell you right now, both top tier. I actually ordered 2 more. No lie. Now look how I bite this. Look, no home training. Look at me. Just nasty. Eating with my fingers, food in my beard. I don't even care. And the name of this delicious restaurant is La Poblana. My Spanish ain't that good, even though I'm Spanish. Puerto Rican is still not good, alright? But either way. Divine risings, gorgeous souls. Listen, I had to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning to be at this destination point. And if I didn't make it, most likely would have been left. We arrived exactly at 5 a.m. And if you're asking or thinking, why the hell are you waking up that early? And why are you even driving somewhere at that time in the morning? Well,
We're on our way to a place that I truly always wanted to come to. And this is one of the places that I couldn't go to last video. Vic. Yes, Vic. Vic is roughly 2 hours and maybe some change from Reykjavik. So yeah, a little long drive.
So we at a petrol station right now. Gas station. That was an hour and a half drive. I'm so sleepy, so sleepy.
Be put in by now, but still we're noticing that they're still out. So we've had quite a warm summer, and obviously our winter hasn't been that bad yet. It's only beginning. So the last couple of days are just the start of what's to come for the rest of the year.
All right, so we made it to one stop. It's one of the waterfalls that's here. The weather is terrible right now, but this is how it usually is here. Usually how Iceland is. Snow everywhere. But we came to see this. Ready? One of the many waterfalls. One of the many waterfalls. But if you look around, the middle of nowhere, technically. Beautiful skies. Beautiful sky. Mountains. Beautiful, beautiful. There's stairs that go all the way up to the tippy top, and that's where we're gonna go. But before that, I want to get as close as possible to this waterfall. The wind is blowing extremely hard. The wind is blowing extremely hard. So I don't know if you can hear me, but this is one of the things I truly wanted to come back for. It's in a whole different part of Iceland. It's in Vik, and that's like 2 hours, 3 hours away. Couldn't do it the first time I was here because again I couldn't find no transportation. But one of the many waterfalls that's connected to a volcano. Woo. A lot of water. There's a lot of water. I think my lens is grips, but we're getting through it. We're getting through it. Alright, so we got a lot of steps to climb up to get to the tippy top, but might as well just start now.
This beautiful site here is called the Black Sand Beach, and one of the main things I also wanted to come to Vic for was to see this place. Fortunately we could not go down to the beach, but we was on the outer skirts due to the fact that the currents was crazy, the winds was crazy, and I didn't want to take my chance surviving Trenton, New Jersey, just to go to Iceland and get washed away. You know. But you can just see the structures of the rock, how black the rock is, and the scenery just itself is so beautiful, so peaceful, and I highly recommend coming here.
Hello everybody. My bad, I have not been recording lately. It's been really choppy, but it's choppy for a reason because my camera started messing up. A lot happened. The weather isn't the best, but I want to show you the reason why I travel. The reason why I come to these places like this. Look at this. Beauty. This is the reason right here. The reason why I leave. Oh shit, it's very slippery. The reason why I leave the city. The reason why I do this. But I got hit with a lot of water. It's freezing. The temperatures is almost below zero. But this is why. This is the reason why. Because you don't see anything like this. And sometimes you gotta take the risk and just go for it, you know? Doesn't matter who don't understand, doesn't matter if your job don't understand, or doesn't matter if you don't even understand yourself sometimes. If you just want to do it, just take that risk. Because they ain't got this shit like this in New Jersey. You see this beauty? Look at this beauty. Ain't nothing like this in New Jersey. So if you take anything from this video, please just take more of motivation, more than anything else. I had to come back here. It's one of the many things that I missed. Now, it's time to get behind it. It's time to go right. I'm gonna walk along this right here. I'm gonna end up right there. I'm gonna bring y'all along. Let's go. The terrain is mad sketchy, not gonna lie. All right, let's keep going. Keep going, let's keep going. Oh, my hands is freezing. Look at this. Woo. I honestly don't know what you truly like doing in life. And I don't want to speak no Mojo Jojo shit or sound like a motivational speaker or whatever, but whatever you want to do, I say go for it. Whatever it is. Take that leap, man. Take that leap. Sorry if the vlog was short this time, but again, the weather wasn't on my side, so I had to do what I had to do. I'm literally on my phone right now. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
We gotta, it's so much water. It's so much water. Oh, sorry if the vlog is so short. I'm about to run through this. But I appreciate every last one of you souls. Thank y'all for watching me. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for taking the time of your day, the energy, to sit down and watch someone like me. I love doing these. Please show me that you love watching me. Please show that you love my exploring videos, because come on, look at this, until next time, gorgeous souls, until next time.
Thank you.